Hello students, welcome to standard 10 subject mathematics chapter 3 pair of linear equations in two variables. This is lecture number 3. Before this in lecture we have seen the how to solve the pair of linear equations by graphical method. So graphical method is all we have seen in the some examples and some questions of exercise also we have seen. Now the next is algebraic methods of solving a pair of linear equations. Graphical method we have seen of solving a pair of linear equations. Now we will have algebraic methods of solving a pair of linear equations. In that the first method is algebraic method for solving the pair of linear equation is substitution method. The first method we have substitution method in algebraic section. Algebraic method. The first method is substitution method. Now, how to get by this method the solution of a pair of linear equations? That we will see in some examples and some exercise questions also. So, example 7 we have solve the following pair of equations by substitution. The pair of equations are given 7x minus 15y equal to 2. Equation number 1 we will say. And x plus 2y equal to 3. The next equation is equation number 2. Now in solution from equation number 2, actually from the any two given equations like 1 and 2 given, you can select any one first. I have taken from equation number 2, you can take from equation number 1 also. What we have to do? Just we have to make one variable one side, like x I have taken one side and it is represented in the form of y. From equation 1 equation 2 I have selected. This is the equation number 2. This I have selected. You can select equation number 1 also, and in that also you can find x equals to what comes or y equals to what. Right? Like here I have selected equation number 2, so that I have written here. And from equation number 2, I can make x equals to 3 minus 2y. This 3 plus 2y is taken on right minus 2y. This is called any one variable we will take on the left side and all other things on the right side. And this is also termed as, this equation is represented in the form of as x in the form of y. This way doing, we are making the substitution for x in the next equation. This work, this equation 2 is now represented this way, x equals to 3 minus 2y. We will say this transformed equation as 3 number equation. This is actually the second way of representing the equation 2. So equation 2 is represented as equation number 3 in the form of x equal to something like 3 minus 2. Now doing this, substitute this x equals to 3 minus 2y, you have to make the x value. This x value we have to substitute in equation number 1. Here one thing you have to remember, that equation 3 is the form of equation 2 only. So don't put this equation 3 value in 2 because it is made from 2 only, which is not picked up equation number 1. In that we have to put the value of x, which is from the equation number 2 we have obtained. So from equation number 2 this 3 is obtained, and now this 3 number is substituting in equation number 1. That is we have to substitute x equal to 3 minus 2y in equation number 1. So equation number 1 is this 7x minus 15y equal to 2. In that x is where we have to substitute the value of x that we have obtained x. That is why this method is called substitution method, because we are selecting any x or y from any one equation and then selected value of x and y from whichever the equation is selected, we have to put that substitution in the other one equation. Like from equation number 2, the substitution of x we have obtained, and this substitution of x we will put in equation number 1. If it is obtained from 2, you will pick this, you will put that in 1. If we have obtained the substitution from equation number 1, suppose you want to require a substitution from equation 1 we have started, and from 1 you are getting some substitution of x or y. So at that time you have to put that substitution in equation number 2. Here from 2 it is taken, so we will put in 1. So in 1, 7x minus 15y equal to 7x, in place of that You have to substitute 3 minus 2y. At 3 minus 2y minus 15y as it is equal to 2 as it is. Now simplify, just simplify. 7 is 21 minus 7 is 14y minus 15y as it is equals to 2 as it is. This 21 and this plus 2 is taken on left, so minus 2 minus 14y minus 15y minus 29y. If I take on the right, it will be plus 29y. Now this 21 minus 2 will give 19 and this 29 will be down to that, so y equals to 19 by 29. This is the value of y we got. This way. So very simply we got the value of y. Now this value of y equals to 19 upon 25. Put in the equation number 3, which we have made x equals to something. In that you place. So x equals to 3 as 3 minus 2 as 2. In place of y, this value 19 upon 29 we place. So it will be 3 as 3 minus 19 to 38 upon 29. So 29 is LCM. 29 3s are 87 minus 38 as it is. 87 minus 38 will give 49 and down there 29. So this is the value of x. This is the value of y. Therefore, the solution is x equals to 49 upon 29 and y equals to 19 upon 29. So this way, by substitution method, we got the solution of this pair of linear equation as x equals to 49 upon 29 and y equal to 19 upon 29. Similar way, you can do the examples 8, 9, 10 also given after 7. That you do your own way. The similar way you can do in that. Here we will write the exercise 3.3. We will solve exercise 3.3. The question 1, some questions we have solved here, similar to this. In that also solve the substitution method by the given. So in the question number 1, total 6 questions are given. 6 pairs of equations are given. So first 3, 1, 2 and 3 in homework you will complete it, and remaining 4, 5 and 6 I have done here because they have somewhat complicated type of presentation of equations, so that we have solved here. So like fourth number in the question number 1 is 0.2x plus 0.3y equal to 1.3 and 0.4x plus 0.5y equal to 2.3. This pair of equation is given. So say this first equation as 1 and second equation as 2. To remove the point, because the decimal point is placed, it will disturb us, like it is complicated way presentation. So to remove these points in all the equations, in all the terms, you know that in all the terms, after one digit the point is there. After one digit the point is there from the unit place. To remove it very simply you can know. You know that if you multiply by 10 the equation number 1 and 2 also if you multiply by 10. So it will be 0.2 into 10 will be 2, 0.3 will be 3, 1.3 will be 13, 4, 5 and 20. So very simple format we will get by multiplying 10 both the equations. We have 2x plus 3y equal to 13 and 4x plus 5y equal to 20. So now this representation of equation 1 and 2 are very simple way we have. This is the first work we have to do to make it simple, and then as simple as we have done in example 7, that way only we will go. We can take any of the equations from these two given. In that we have taken equation 2, with that we have started. Here we have started with equation 1. We can take any equation first, and in that what we have to do, like here we have done equation 1, we select, there is 2x equals to 2x plus 3y equal to 13. We can make it as 2x equals to 13 minus 3y. Now this 2 we can take down here. So this is x equals to, we will have 13 minus 3y upon 2. This substitution of x we have made from equation number 1. We will say this substitution as 3. And this substitution of x, because we have made from equation 1, we will place this substitution not in 1 but in 2, equation number 2. So this substitution of x which is made from equation number 1, we will have to substitute in equation number 2. That we have done here. Substituting x equals to 13 minus 3y by 2, that we have obtained here in equation number 2. Once again remember why this is put in equation number 2 only, why not 1, because the substitution is obtained from equation 1. So don't place in the same equation, you place in the other equation. So from 1 the obtained value x we have to substitute in equation number 2. Our equation number 2 is this now in simple form, 4x plus 5y equal to 23. In this way, x is there we place this 13 minus divided by 2. So 4 as it is into x is 13 minus divided by 2, the value, plus 5y equal to 23, for 5y equal to 23. Now 4 is here, 2 is here, 2 by 2 and 4 cancel, 2 2s are 4, so 2 will be remaining here. Now 2 is multiplying inside the bracket, 2 13s are 26 minus 2 3s are 6y, plus 5y as it is equal to 23 as it is. Here y terms are minus 6y and plus y will give minus y, 23 as it is, plus 26 on the right side, minus 26. 23 and minus 26 will give minus 3. Now both the side minus you can cancel, minus y equal to minus 3 means minus minus cancel. So y equal to 3 we will have. Now this value of y we have to place in equation number 3. Substituting y equals to 3 in the equation number 3. Equation number 3 means whatever the substitution we have made, that number we have to give as equation number 3. So in this, the value of y we place. It is x equals to 13 minus 3y, y is 3 we obtain, that we place, and upon 2 as it is, upon 2. So 13 minus 3 3s are 9 upon 2 it will be. Then 13 minus 9 is 4 by 2 will give 4 by 2 will give 2. So x equals to 2 you have. So this way we have got x and y both the values. Therefore the solution is x equal to 2 and y equal to 3 by substitution method. So very simple it is. Only the start is we have to remove the decimal point by multiplying 10 or 100 or whichever number is required to remove the decimal point, that we have to multiply. So make it simple and then the similar way in substitution method what we do. One more question after 4 number. The 5 number we have in the question number 1 of this exercise 3.3 is root 2x plus root 3y equal to 0. Equation 1 we will say. The another equation is root 3x minus root 8y equal to 0. Equation number 2. Two equations are given again. In the root form the numbers are given, so it looks some complicated. So very simple this also. We have to do it the same way. Okay. What we do, we can take any equations to start. I have taken from equation number 2. From equation number 2, well, this is the equation number 2. We can write root 3x minus root 8y. I am taking right side of 0 plus root 8y will be root 8y. Now make the substitution of x. So x equals to this root 3 will be down to root 8y. So that I have written root 8y upon root 3. This is the substitution of x I have obtained from equation number 2. And I will say this substitution as equation number 3. Now this 3 is obtained by 2 from 2. So we will place this 3 not in 2 but in 1. So substituting x equals to root 8y upon root 3 in equation number 1. So equation number 1 is this. In that x equals to this substitution we have to place. So root 2 as it is, x is root 8y upon root 3 that we have placed, plus root 3y as it is equal to 0 as it is. Now simplify this. Root 2 into root 8. Root 8 to the 16 will be root 16 into y as it is, root 3 down as it is, plus root 3y as it is equals to 0 as it is. Because in denominator root 3 is there, to make it simple expression, the whole equation you multiply by root 3. Whole equation when you multiply by root 3, each and every term will be multiplied by root 3. Root 3 here you multiply by root 3 cancel. This root 3 will be cancelled. And root 16 means 4. Root of 16 means 4. And into y as it is, plus here when you multiply root 3 into root 3 it will be 3. And y equal to when you multiply in 0 it will be 0 only. Now 4y plus 3y will give 7y equal to 0. Therefore y equal to 0 upon 7 will be 0 only. So y equal to 0 we got. The one variable y equal to 0 when we got this value of y equal to 0, we have to substitute in equation number 3 which we have made this x equals to. So substituting y equal to 0 which we have obtained here in 3 number equation. So it will be x equals to root 8y, y is 0 that placed upon root 3 as it is. As you know that root 8 into anything into 0 is 0 and divided by anything is also 0. So 0 into anything is whole answer will be 0. 0. Therefore, the solution is x equals to 0 as well as y is also equals to 0 in this pair of linear equation. So you can see that the complicated looking sum is also done by the same method only, but just take care that how to simplify the complicated parts. Here the sixth number is in fraction form something given, so that also looks some complicated way of the equation presented. So that I have solved here. It is the equation number 1 given 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 equal to minus 2. Say this as equation 1. And x by 3 plus y by 2 equal to 13 by 6, say equation number 2. Here upon 2, upon 3, upon 3, upon 2, upon 6 looking. So first thing we have to do, the denominator part we have to remove. How to remove the equation from the equation of the denominator part? We have to multiply that type of number which will cancel that denominator part. So how to decide that from which number we have to multiply? That also simple. In this equation, in denominator 2 and in denominator 3, 2 and 3 we have. So we have to think about the LCM of that number. 2 and 3 LCM is 6. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. If you multiply by 6, the whole equation that will multiply by 6. Why we have multiplied 6? Because here 2 and 3 down 3 1 and down there 2 3 LCM is 6. So we multiply this whole equation by 6. Here also in equation number 2, down there 3 2 6. The LCM of 3 2 6 is also 6. So we have multiplied the whole equation by 6. By doing so, it will become the simple form. How? Let's see. If you multiply by 6 here in the first term, by 2 it will be cancelled. 2 3s are 6 and 3 3s are 9x will be here. Minus, when you multiply 6 over here, 3 2s are 6, 2 and 5, 2 into 5, 10y. Equal to when you multiply 6 here, so 6 2s are 12, plus minus minus minus. So you can see the denominator part is vanished here, and the simple looking equation we have, equation 1. Similarly, equation 2 also multiply by 6 every time in every term. So here when you multiply 6 by 3 it will be cancelled and 2 will be remaining, so 2x. Plus when you multiply in second term 6, 2 3s are 6, 3 and y, 3y you will have. Equals to when you multiply 6 over here, 6 cancel, only 13 will be remaining. So this way equation number 2 is also very simple way we have seen now. And now so simple as we do, what we do, we have to pick any equation 1 or 2, any one equation you take. I have taken equation number 2. So from equation number 2 the substitution I am going to make. Substitution of x or y, any value you can take. I have taken of x. If I take x on this side only and all the terms on the right side, so 13 minus 3y will be, and this 2 multiplied part will be down. So the x equals to, from equation number 2 becomes 13 minus 3y upon 2. Say this substitution of equation number 2 which is made from as equation number 3. Now this substitution equation number 3 is made from equation number 2. So we will place this substitution in equation number 1. So substitution in equation number 1. This substitution we have to make in equation number 1. We have to substitute. Equation 1 is 9x minus 10y equal to minus 12. So that is 9x. X is the substitution which we have got, that we have to place in place of x. 13 minus 3y by 2, that we have placed, equal to minus 10y as it is, equals to minus 12 as it is. Now simplify this. 13 into 9, 13 9s are 170, minus 13, 9 3s are 27y, upon 2 as it is, minus 10y as it is, equals to minus 12 as it is. Again in this equation, we have down there 2 in denominator. To remove that 2, so only just the whole equation multiplied by 2, this 2 will be cancelled out. Now let's see. Multiply by 2 I have written y because down there 2 is there. To remove that denominator part, to make it simple, to show it simple. To multiply by 2 in each of the term, when you multiply by 2 here, this 2 and this 2 will be cancelled. Only upper part will be remaining, that is 170 minus 27y. When you multiply by 2 here, minus 10 into 2 will be 20y, equal to when you multiply by 2 here, minus 12 to that 24. Now the like terms are minus 27 and minus 21 will give minus 47 1, and here minus 24 plus 107 if you take on the right it will be minus 170, and minus 24, the total of these two will be minus 141. This is minus 47y equals to minus 141. So y equals to minus 47, you have to take in denominator here. So this is minus 141 upon minus 1 minus 47. Minus minus up and down cancel. 141 upon 47. 47 threes are 141, you can see, you can check. When you multiply by 3, this number 47 you get 141. So we have cancelled by 3. 47 threes are 141. So y equal to we have 3. Y equal to 3. Now y equal to 3, the value we have got, we have to substitute in equation number 1, 3. Substituting y equal to 3 in equation number 3. This is the equation number 3, which is the substitution is made. So x equals to 13 minus 3y upon 2 is, so x equal to 13 minus 3y, y is 3, we have to place. 13 minus 3y is 3 upon 2. So this will be 13 minus 3 is 9 upon 2. 13 minus 9 is 4 upon 2 as it is. So by 2 we can cancel, 2 2s are. So x equals to finally 2 we have. So both the value x equals to 2 and y equal to 3 we got. So the solution is x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. So we have seen in the varieties of given pair of equations how to apply substitution method. So substitution is very simple. We have to pick any equation and from that we have to make the substitution of x or y, and that value of x or y we have to place in the another equation. We will get some variables value, and that variables value we have to put in the substitution which we have made. We will get the another variables value. This is so simple. But when the equations are given in some complicated form, first work will be to simplify that forms and make it simple form. Like denominator given, multiplying their LCM in both the equations, you can make it simple, right? And when decimal point is given, you multiply such a number, so decimal will be removed. So this type of questions we have to solve. We have to make it simple first, and then we can apply the substitution method. So you are suggested now to complete the exercise 3.3 also, and example 8, 9, 10 also, in which in all the questions we have to apply substitution method only. If they are in complicated form, we make it in simple form and then apply substitution method and get the solution of the pair of the linear equation. This is what the substitution method is. I think you understand, and if you don't understand in one time, you see the video 2-3 times and be confident, and then your own way to solve example 8, 9, 10 and complete exercise 3.3. So you will be confident